Hi, my name is Grace Ping. I'm a senior at Ball State University, and I spent my summer at Fort Knox, Kentucky. So this summer I was invited to go to Fort Knox, Kentucky to be a part of their PAO program. I just used my skills that I have from Ball State University, and I brought it along with 19 other college students to Fort Knox, where we interviewed cadets, we took photos of them, videos. I refined my broadcasting skills as well as my photography. We did some cross-training, so that was really cool. The process was really easy. I had to get a letter of recommendation. I had to submit my resume. I was really happy. I was in the top 50 percentile, I guess. They had 40 interviews and they only selected 20 students, so that was pretty cool. We had really busy days for sure. I like to go on early assignments, so usually I was waking up around 5 a.m. There I would have my battle buddy, which basically we always had a partner with us. It was someone doing video broadcasting, and then we'd always have like a photojournalism partner. In terms of like assignments, there were so many we could do, and we got to pick, which is really cool. That could look like a shooting range, like obstacle courses. Like there was a lot of stuff that we could pick from. I would shoot some B-roll for a while. I'd just walk around. Then I would like usually try to scout out like a interview for a cadet, and then I would go up to them, ask them, and I would do my interview. After like 2 hours of shooting, we would go back to our office, which is like home base, and then we would just edit for the rest of the day, and then we would produce and put out our content within the same day. So I had never known what a challenge coin was before, but apparently it's this prestigious award only given out to select individuals for their outstanding work. And I was really surprised when I got mine. They told me it was given to me because I had the most views on a video, as well as I had won video of the week, which was really cool. We had this competition over the summer. Every week, our NCOs, which are our non-commissioned officers, they helped us. They were kind of our mentors over the summer. They would select one of us each week for top video, top photo, and top article. And so I had made the leaderboard every single week while I was on video, and that was really cool. This experience has helped me prepare for my future career because it was such a foreign environment. And so now I feel like, now that I can do that, I can tackle anything. You know, if I can go to Fort Knox, Kentucky and be bit by mosquitoes and have ticks all over me, I can go out into any environment and be prepared for anything that's thrown at me.